Imagine a teenager from India taking on a 5-time world champion. Can Gukesh Dommaraju outplay Viswanathan Anand in rapid chess? Watch closely, you'll see the key moves that turn this battle in Gukesh's favor. From Super United Rapid Croatia 2023, featuring the Caro-Kann Defense. Every step is explained simply for chess learners. The game begins with pawn to e4 by Gukesh, answered by c6 from Anand, the Caro-Kann Defense. Both players develop pieces quickly, knights to c3 and d7, and bishops to e3 and b4, contesting the center. Notice how Gukesh pushes f3 early, supporting his center and preparing safe piece development. After the exchange on d5 and c5, Gukesh sacrifices the pawn on c5 to gain a lead in development and open lines. Both sides castle and bring their rooks to central files, ready for tension. See how black organizes the pieces, bishop to e6, queen to d7, challenging white's space. The queen side opens, Anand plays a6 to question the a5 pawn, Gukesh brings a rook to c5 and advances c4. Both sides position their rooks and knights for maximum activity. Notice Gukesh's move h4, starting kingside expansion and preparing for an attack. Black attempts to regroup and defend, but Gukesh finds powerful moves. h5, h6 increases pressure, and bringing the knight and rook to the kingside creates real threats. With the pawn structure locked, it's all about piece coordination. Now the game sharpens. Gukesh plays queen to h4, threatening mate and forcing defensive moves. Anand tries to defend, but white's active rooks and knights dominate. When the rook comes to c8+, black's king is too exposed, with no defense left, Anand resigns. This game demonstrates how to use open lines, build pressure, and attack in the Caro-Kann defense. Gukesh's plan, controlling the center, organizing pieces for attack, and choosing the best moment to strike, is a lesson for every young chess player.